Hello, welcome to your GK class, my dear students. Today we will be starting a new topic of your GK, important days and dates. See, dear children, in a calendar year there are 365 days and 12 months, as you all know. Every day, a date have their unique importance. We remember that day, a date by for a special reason. Maybe something better would have happened on that day in the past. Yes, something bad has gone, something wrong has gone on that day. So we observe those days for special reasons. Okay. Before starting getting into the actual scenario, let me clear you few things. See, dear children, like India, uh, like in India, we are having Independence Day on 15th of August. Republic Day we are celebrating on 26th of January. These days, Independence Day or Republic Day, are unique for every country. They may be different for different country. For India, it's 15th of August. For America, it is something else. Okay, it's different for different countries because the dates of their getting independence is different, was different. Okay, same way, there are some days which are celebrated in two ways. Example, if I say Earth Day, maybe in India we would be celebrating Earth Day, National Earth Day on a different date, and World Earth Day would be observed on a different date, a day. That will have a dissimilarity. In third case, suppose like we are celebrating Mother's Day. Okay, so Mother's Day is not having a fixed date. In fact, we have fixed a day for it. And how we have fixed a day for it? Second Sunday, second Sunday of the month of May. So whenever the second Sunday would be falling on the month of May, we will be observing Mother's Day. So again, the date is not fixed, day is fixed. Okay, the duration is fixed. So there are some days which keeps on varying. They are not dependent on the dates. So let's see, we will be discussing in this video our those days which are observed specifically in India. Okay, there are many days in a month which are having their special importance, but we will be discussing the important one, the few which are mentioned in your book. Out of those which we feel that they are relevant, okay, and we will discuss about the importance of the day. What does actually it reflects? Okay, so let's start from January, month of January. 4th of January, we celebrate Louis Braille Day. Louis Braille was the guy who discovered the font of writing which blind people can also read out. Means by feeling of touching they can get to know that what is written over there. Okay, as blind people can't see, they can just feel. So Louis Braille invented a special type of font of writing, okay, that we find on our rupee coins also. Okay, the coins which we are minting. 9th of January is observed as an NRI day, non-residential Indian, the people those who are basically of India and those who are residing in other country as well. They are carrying a dual citizenship also in some cases. Army Day, 15th of January, 26th of January, of course, everybody knows it's a Republic Day, National Republic Day. 30th of January we celebrate as Martyrs Day, National Martyrs Day. On this day, Mahatma Gandhi ji was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. That's why on this day we celebrate Martyrs Day. Moving to February, again I'm saying, my dear student, there are many days which are being uh, celebrated having a special reason, but we are discussing only the fewer ones. Okay, 24th of February observed as a Central Excise Day. The excise duties which the businessmen, people, yeah, other earning class have to pay to the government. 28th of February, it's National Science Day. National Science Day means it's a day which is observed on this particular date in India. Okay, the date may be different for World Science Day. 8th of March, Women's Day, we celebrate. 15th of March, it's consumer right. See, dear student, as you know, when we purchase something from the market, as a customer, as a consumer, we expect a warranty or guarantee or after sale service for it. Okay, if something gets wrong with that product, we expect that the seller will replace the product. Yeah, he will get the products repaired. So those are our consumer right. Replacing the product, getting the product replaced, yeah, repaired. Okay, yeah, to take care of the after sale services. that is consumer right. Okay, then racial discrimination, 21st of March. Racial discrimination is something that is related to the, you know, the appearance of the people, the blacks and whites, which is nowadays very common in US, that is going on. 23rd of March, Meteorological Day. Meteorological department, dear students, it's the department which gives us about the prediction of the weather. Okay, how the weather forecast will be. 24th of March, it's TB Day. TB, it's a disease, tuberculosis, hazardous disease earlier. It was a very dangerous thing. Nowadays, we have find out the uh, cure for this medicine. Now, somehow we are able to control this disease in our country, India. 4th of April is Maritime Day. Maritime means the people, those who are engaged with the sea activity, ocean activity. That is Maritime Day. 10th of April, it's Homeopathy Day. Homeopathy is one of the science of treating the ailments. Okay, we have homeopathy, Ayurvedic, allopathy. So homeopathy is one of the science, medical science by which the patients are being treated. Okay, disease is being cured. 21st of April, it's Civil Service Day. The people, those who are holding a district, like DM, district magistrates, they are IAS people, Indian Administrative Service, SDM, they are public civil service in public civil services. So those guys are the part of civil services. They are doing civil services for the country, for the state. Coming to the next month, that's May. 1st of May is celebrated as what? Labor Day. It's a Labor Day. Labor, the people, those who are engaged in the physical activity. Those who means physical, carrying the weight, doing physical work for earning their livelihood daily. Then 3rd of May, it's World Press Day. Press, the word press means where the newspapers are being printed and published. Newspaper yani magazine, such material which is having a uh, current news happenings around us. Fine. Then 8th of May, it's a Red Cross Day. Red Cross, as you know, it's a society which helps the needy people. Okay, yes, sick people at the time of emergency. If there is any calamity or any such thing happens. Then 21st of May, it's Anti-Terrorism Day. Terrorism, as you know, ter in which some people, by use of weapons, by use of non-violence, they try to threaten the civilians, the common people, okay, the innocent people, or to the defense personnel. These terrorists many a times, time to time, keep on, killing and maybe you say apart from killing, time to time they keep on affecting the normal life of a particular area. Okay, so in against that, that is being observed, that is anti-terrorism day. Now coming to the month of June, 5th of June is being observed as Environment Day. 12th of June, it's against labor. Against labor means, see, just now we have seen Labor Day. Now we are seeing against Labor Day. Means the wrong practices which are being involved in the labor. As an employee, it's to ensure that an employee doesn't take a disadvantage or misuse of a labor, a person who is working there. 20th of June, it's Refugee Day. Refugees are the people. See, if something gets wrong in a country, any war break out in a country, then the people will start running away from that country, leaving their country behind, and they will try to enter to a newer country, international border. So, if that new country doesn't allow them to enter their, boundary of the country to their place, and the previous country also they have left out, in that case, that position of refusal from both the sides means a person has refused his own country and the new country has refused that person to give entry, that is being termed as refugee. Those people are called as refugee. So 20th of June is called as Refugee Day. Now coming to July, 4th of July is observed as American Independence Day. 7th of July is observed as Cooperatives Day. Cooperatives, what are the cooperatives? The societies, okay, like sugarcane societies, milk societies, cooperative societies, who work with the village people to get some bigger task done. Okay, there are many cooperative societies nearby us. Sugarcane society is one of the common. Now coming to the month of August, 6th of August is observed as Hiroshima. Hiroshima, it was in Japan, a city. If you might remember, America dropped nuclear bombs on this city. On this date, it was being dropped in Hiroshima, 6th of August. Then 8th of August, it is observed as Agast Kranti Divas. Okay. Now, one more most important date in month of August, of course, our Independence Day that is being observed on 15th of August. Fine. Now coming to the next month, that is of September, 5th of September, as you all know, we celebrate Teachers' Day on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 14th of September we observed as Hindi Day, and on 15th of September we celebrate it as World's Engineers Day. So I have just taken this 9 months at one go. We will be discussing verbally the other 3 months which were remaining. Okay, I have just taken the important dates which I feel that has to be discussed. Okay, so that's it for today's explanation, today's video. We will see that what all relevant explanation is being needed. Then we will make another video explanation if it would be necessary. Thank you, dear children. Have a nice day.